If you have hand pain and you think that your job is causing you to have carpal tunnel syndrome, it's a natural thing to wonder because many stressful jobs are associated with this painful condition. Many people happen to have carpal tunnel syndrome and at the same time are in high-stress occupations like office jobs. But aside from any apparent cause and effect relationship between stress and carpal tunnel syndrome, there is no scientific link between the two. So this leaves us to wonder how a large proportion of office workers have carpal tunnel syndrome. And the answer may be simpler than you think. People who work in offices use their hands a lot, primarily because they use a mouse and keyboard. So if you're under stress and you're sitting at your workstation, your posture tends to suffer. You either slouch or hunch over your workstation. Thus, if you're under stress and at your workstation, you tend to hurry at your job, and that hurrying will lead to poor posture. And poor posture happens to be one of the very well-known causes of hand pain. Thus, your job's stress is not causing you to have carpal tunnel syndrome. Rather, the stress is causing you to have poor posture, and that is what's causing the problem in your hand. Sometimes poor posture isn't as easy to identify as in this picture. Oftentimes, we think we have good posture, but in reality, we don't. Proper posture, especially while sitting at the workstation, is essential for healthy hands. This is an example of good posture at a workstation. It's easy to maintain once we recognize what we have to do. But if you already have carpal tunnel syndrome, what do you do right now? The answer is quite easy. You'll use the amazing Carpal RX, the safe and effective treatment people have been trusting for years. That's because the Carpal RX is proven and guaranteed to relieve pain and other symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome. And that guarantee is backed by our distinguished scientific advisory board, and by research reported in the British Journal of Pain. In other words, the Carpal RX is the most effective and most trusted therapy for carpal tunnel syndrome. You'll be so thankful for Carpal RX because you'll be able to sleep again, without waking up. Order your Carpal RX now. You can order by phone or by visiting carpalrx.com. And every Carpal RX is guaranteed by doctors to work for you. You have 60 days to try it, absolutely free. So you have nothing to lose by trying Carpal RX except your sleepless nights. Get the Carpal RX today so you can sleep again.